Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open new tabs and private windows in Chrome app on computer. Open the Chrome browser. Right now this is one tab. Now if you want to add another tab, what you can do is you can select this plus icon here, which will keep on adding the tabs. So these are the separate browsing tabs where you can browse for separate pages or separate websites for each tab, which will keep individual tabs separate from each other. So this is one way to add the tabs. The other way is selecting these three dot options, and here also you have this new tab command. You can select that, which will automatically add the new tabs. There is a separate option which says new window. For that, what you can do is you can select this options menu, and here you have the second, which is new window, and then select that, which will create a separate window from the existing window, and you can switch between them easily. Now this is how you can open new tabs and new windows. Now if you want to open the private tab or the incognito tab, you can again select this options menu, and here you have this new incognito window. Just select that and it will open the incognito window, which doesn't save your history or cookies or cache or any information that you browse in this. So similarly, you can also add multiple new tabs in incognito mode, and even add new window in incognito mode, just like you did in the standard or normal mode. So in this way you can add and manage the tabs in Chrome app on your computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.